Hey you guys, you are watching Bobby Studios channel. Today I make a video how to install Bobby Movie for Android devices. To install an app that isn't listed on the Google Play Store, you'll have to enable installations from other sources on your Android before you can download and install Bobby Movie. Please scroll down to the description below to know how to enable it with your device. On my phone, open Settings. Additional Settings. Privacy. Switch unknown sources to turn blue. And now installing Bobby Movie app. Open the web browser. Bobby Movie is compatible with iOS and Android. Open my channel to watch the video installing app for iOS devices. Tap Bobby Movie for Android to download app. Swipe down from the top of the screen to see app progressing. Tap to install now. Installation complete. Go to home screen to open app. Tap allow to the download movies will save to your device. Now let's experience the features of the app. So many movies and TV shows are regularly updated so you do not miss them. Thank you for your watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions.